Hey everyone, welcome to Elementary Math with Mr. Scott. So glad you're here. And today we're going to be looking at just plain how do I add. And again, some of the tricks that I use with my students each and every day. So let's go ahead and jump into what we're doing today. And again, I'm going to quickly review again the 3 rules of addition. If you want to go back and look at the 3 rules of addition video, it'll help you to understand. Again, these are the most common mistakes that elementary students make while adding. Again, you must make sure you stack your numbers, which we've done here. You must line your numbers up by place, which we've done as well. We've got the ones in the ones lined up, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, and so on. And then our columns are lined up well. With a computer, that's easy to do. Sometimes with we're doing it freehand and writing numbers on our paper, they don't get so nicely lined up like they should. So make sure that you're doing those things. Now, let's go ahead and add. Now, I know there's teachers out there that say, no, they need to be doing it in their head. They can't be using their fingers. I completely disagree. I don't care how they get the answer as long as they get the right answer. That's the key for me. So I do teach my kids to make sure they use their fingers, make sure they got the right answer, because ultimately that's what it comes down to is the answer right? Is it wrong? If it takes me 3 seconds longer because I'm using my fingers, that's okay. All right, so let's start down here with 24 plus 36, right? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using a red pen here because it'll stand out and see. Now, 6 plus 4. If I don't know what 6 plus 4 is, I teach my kids. Start with the largest number and we make a fist. So as I make this fist 6, and I'm going 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's my 4. I get that in front of my line. So I have a 10. So what do? Well, I have 2 digits. That means I can only put 1 down here. So I put the ones place, which is the 0, and I bring my 1 up here. Okay. Now, here we're going to add up the next column. I'm done with this first column, the ones columns. Now I'm in the tens columns. So I have 3, 2, and a 1. So again, I'm going to fist at 3. I'm going to start with my biggest number, 3, 4, 5. There's my 2. Plus 1 more is 6. So my answer is 6. Okay. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to do it again. It doesn't matter how many numbers there are. There could be 100 numbers across this screen. It doesn't change. Once you start to learn how to add, you just do 1 column at a time, and you're doing the same thing over and over and over again. 9 plus 0 is 9. So I go ahead and put my 9 down. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. If I need to use my fist. Now I got 7 plus 7. Should know your doubles. But if you don't know your doubles, I'm going to say 7. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 7 fingers. 14 is my answer. Again, it's a 2-digit number. So I need to go ahead and put 1 number down there and bring my other one up. 5 plus 4 plus 1. Again, I start with the largest number, 5. And then I make a fist. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1 more is 10. Another mistake the kids tend to make is they forget to add the number that's above. So if that's you, don't forget to be adding those that are above the column. Now, I just wanted to do one big one for us just to add to it. All right. Again, it doesn't matter how many numbers there are. It's still the same process over and over and over again. All right. 8 plus 5. Again, I start with the largest number, 8. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So I put my 3 down. Carry my 1 because it's a 2-digit number. Don't forget to add that 1. Again, I start with my largest number, 4. There's my fist. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 3. So then we put our 7 down. I don't have to carry anything because it's not a 2-digit number. 3 plus 3. I should know my doubles, but if I don't, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I can go ahead and put my comma in when I have this big of a number. 9 plus 1, hopefully you know that one, is 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1, again 8. 9, 10 plus the top one makes it 11. Don't forget the top one. I carry that. And same thing here. I start with a 7, largest number. 7, add 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus one more makes it 11. So we actually end up with, ooh, let's see if we can say these numbers. This one over here is 60. This one here, now let's say it together. I have 10, and then there's my comma, which tells me to say 1,000. 10,459. Down here, ooh, I've got 2 commas. That means I have 1. That first comma tells me million. 110, comma, 1,673. Okay. Hopefully that's helped, and hopefully those rules will help you as well. Keep going. You're doing great. Remember, math can really, honestly, truly be fun. Have a great day, everyone.